Hey guys, it's me, Alex, and
Maddie.
hi.
And Jack.
He's playing Fortnite. That's my
Today's the day.
We're doing a slime smoothie. So we'll show you all the slime that we're putting in the slime smoothie. And then, Maddie, I have a test for you.
Uh-oh.
Never mind. So first slime is this one. So let's put it in the smoothie. Why are we talking like this? And then
We decided earlier. I don't know, just keep little. We should keep little samples of these. Put them.
Yo, anyone got rockets?
Shush. Sorry, that's our brother. Maddie, we don't need anything. Just leave it.
Well, already
Every
No.
time.
by the way.
Because it's just gonna be. So put that in, and this is like, oh my god, it already took up the bottom. I'm scared this is gonna overflow.
No.
Okay. You go get the perfume. I'll only put this one in, and then I'll stop and wait for you.
What?
So, and next is this. I'll just put that over there.
I will find a way.
Jackie, please be quiet. But today what we did is we made a bucket of things that we'll put in the slime smoothie. And over there is one bucket to sell and one bucket to keep. And my brother playing Fortnite. If you want to watch some Fortnite.
Yo, where's the sugar coming from?
So yeah, that's just some Fortnite. Okay, Madison got the perfume. Just in case it starts to smell really bad.
What
Don't
should
need to add that.
It's
Hit it. So Maddie just hit our tripod, but that's all okay. You can add this slime.
I'll plank.
I'll do a squirt for
Don't-
every
don't
slime we
do-
put in.
Oh, that please. This one is so metallic.
Squirt. Squirt. No, you're not supposed to mix it. You're just supposed to put it in.
Oh, it smells. I wish you guys can smell my perfume.
Okay, this slime is just disgusting.
Yeah.
Maddie, we're not gonna Madison.
Oh,
Okay, so Maddie, add your next slime.
Alex, look how close I am.
I
Whoa.
thought to pick this one. Very nice.
No, it's not.
Nice.
It's kind of just like
These are
put
ugly
that in
colors.
there, and then
Me on.
okay. So
Going back in.
let's just take this and pop this in there. Okay, now you pick a slime. No.
Why can't we add it?
No.
Can I at least feel it before?
Did we get hit from the side?
Yes!
Now you're not gonna be able to play with it anymore.
Okay.
Clean all this stuff
It's
out.
our team of
Okay,
16.
you pick a slime.
One other team. Two.
No,
One other
we're
team.
doing that last.
Straight line first.
Oh yeah, that's yeah. Show them the slime.
It's not.
And this is like a
squishy.
horrible slime smoothie. And don't put it up so close to the camera because then they barely can see it. Okay. Ooh, oh god, I know which one this is.
Okay.
So
Can't be
I don't
so bad.
want you don't let me feel yours. Stop.
Where is
So it's just like not stretchy and well it's kinda stretchy but ugh. There we go. Just push that in. Okay, you that one we were trying to make a clear slime for her and it just kind of failed because it like hardened over the days. Don't put it so close to the camera. So then, last thing we have is this thing I got from my grandma. I'm not gonna add the whole thing because I'm gonna try to experiment with this thing. But I'm just gonna add sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just add a few squirts of perfume. And let's roll up our sleeves and
Oh.
start mixing. Oh,
Oh,
God. Let's just kind of. Oh God.
It smells good.
No, it doesn't. Oh God. Okay, Matt, you can't like take over the whole thing.
That was you. That's how.
Can I have?
So this is what it looks like. Piece looks like.
Okay, Maddie, you're putting it so close to the camera they can't even see it because it's so close.
This is ugly. Look at this red.
Oh God. So let's just mix this in.
Oh.
I wish I could put this in time lapse as I'm finishing it. In. Oh, I feel some like hard pieces. Okay. Oh, it got on my cut. Wait, I'm gonna pick this up real quick, guys.
How much do you think it weighs? Measure.
2 pounds, maybe?
I'd say 1 pound and a half.
1.5 pounds. Oh, I just found.
Oh, tripod.
Okay, so I just found like this hard piece in there.
Ew. It's so hard.
This is so disgusting. Okay, let's just.
Sorry about that.
I won.
Oh, my brother won his game.
It's a 20v20.
So who cares?
What are these shot up my nose?
Yeah.
It wasn't a defeat. Boom, boom, boom.
Okay, don't mind our brother. Maybe tomorrow.
Oh my god, this looks like the zombie side, and this looks like the cheerleader side from zombies. If you
No, it just all looks like zombie.
Hey, can I pull this up, Alex? Because I want to be able to see close.
I'm kind of sitting.
Can I please?
Okay, fine. Only because I love you. Oh God, that smells bad. Let's add
No more perfume, dude.
No.
No more
Some more.
perfume.
Alex.
Oh, wow.
It needs it.
No more.
Jackie, can you please be quiet?
God,
So guys, I guess we're just gonna end this video because
like and subscribe.
it's like not mixing.
Hey,
It's good for poking, like
should I use that
This should be a practice poke.
or the paper parasol?
rainbow.
Ooh.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.